This channel makes around $417 every single month, and almost all of its content is based on satisfying spray painting videos. These videos are going absolutely viral on YouTube right now, pulling in millions of views. If you want to learn exactly how to create videos like these using AI, make sure you watch this video until the very end. First, we're going to open the master prompt. If you need it, you'll find the link in the pinned comment below. Now, copy the entire master prompt and let's head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt right here, hit send, and let the magic happen. Within just a few seconds, the AI will generate 10 different video ideas for you. All we have to do is choose one of them. And in this example, I'm going with idea number 4. I'll simply type the number 4, press send, and that's it. Once it's submitted, ChatGPT will automatically generate 2 complete scenes for us. Now it's time for the real action. First, copy the image prompt and head over to the Google Flow website. Click on New Project, wait for the page to finish loading, then choose Image. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, select X1, and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Now, paste the prompt into the text box and hit Send. In just a few moments, your image will be generated and ready to use. Once the image is finished, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to the Flow website, click here, choose Video, and then select Frames. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the speed to X1, and choose the Omni Flash model with an 8-second duration. Next, click on the image we just generated, select Animate, paste the prompt into the box, and hit Send. After the first video finishes rendering, go to the very last frame and click Save Frame. This keeps your animation perfectly seamless with absolutely 0 cuts between scenes. Finally, head back to ChatGPT, copy Video Prompt 2, return to Flow, click on the last saved frame, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and hit Send. And just like that, you've created the next scene. And now, the secret behind these viral cartoon-style videos is yours. Put what you've learned into action, stay creative, keep experimenting, and most importantly, good luck.